It sounds like it started and there's no movement in the drum.
Don't stick your hand in here until you turned off the power. That's definitely the problem.
Okay, don't do what I just did with a star bit. Make sure you get the right Allen wrench bit, because I have ground one of these down into a circle, and then you have to grind it off, and that's not easy. I'm running into that right now. Do yourself a favor and just throw this screw away. So when you're dealing with like Allen wrench bits and star bits, you want to make sure that the fit is like perfect, so you don't strip the screw. Ow. Oh, probably should have been wearing gloves. I gave myself, well, it wouldn't have helped anyway. This is quite a bit more frustrating than changing a belt on a Dexter. You don't have to do it very often, but the company that I bought this dryer from used and refurbished used a non-Speed Queen belt, and it broke within 6 months. They don't typically break. I haven't had a Speed Queen one break ever. So you're supposed to get it in through these cracks around the whole drum, and then you're supposed to get the drum in there, and then you put tension on it from behind back here. It's not easy. It's pretty frustrating because you'll get it most of the way there and then it'll fall off like that. Hey, you can't be soliciting in the laundromat here, okay? I said soliciting weird. Soliciting. Oh man, I got close. So you want the belt to go around the outside of this, and this arm has a spring that goes right here, so it pulls tension. So it goes around the outside of this, underneath this motor, and then there's another pulley right here that it goes over. Now this is actually really hard. It took me like half an hour to do because I was doing it wrong, I guess. Pried it up with my needle nose pliers with my right hand, and I had the belt in my left hand, and I really just had to, after I pried it up, I just muscled it up with my right hand and got it over with my left hand. It's really difficult. Definitely don't want to forget to put this stuff back on. Oh. Looks like my drum needs to come up and in a little bit more. So I put the nut on there so I don't lose all of my progress. I really couldn't get it by myself, so I had my manager go up to the front and push and wiggle while I took my pry bar and I just lifted up on it a little bit there. I forgot to close that little access flap. I hope that's why the loud noise is happening.